Hey everyone, I'm Andreas Park. I'm an Associate Professor of Finance at the U of T and also the Research Director of the FinHub, Rotman's Financial Innovation Lab. John Hull asked me to give you an introduction to blockchain technology and its applications to finance, which is why I'm talking to you now. For some background, I have been interested in blockchain since 2015. I've been teaching classes and courses on this one, including executive education. And I'm also an economic advisor to a major blockchain project, and I've recently released, together with some co-authors, a design proposal which was solicited by the Bank of Canada for a central bank issued digital currency. I'd be very happy to talk to you about all of these initiatives. Now, what I'm trying to do with this small class, if you want, or with this lecture, is I'm trying to take the major components that I think are necessary for you to know about blockchain technology and what's generally referred to as an area called decentralized finance if you want to work in the financial industry. In my opinion, this is probably one of the biggest developments that we will see over the next 10 years. And I can guarantee you that some of the things that you will hear about in my class today, or if over the course of the videos, will be something that you will be talking about as early as this summer. With that, let me tell you what it is that I'm trying to accomplish here. So the first thing I want you to understand is where this is all coming from. Where's the origins of blockchain technology, and why should you care now? Why does it matter to you as somebody who wants to work in finance? I also want to explain to you how it works, and then want to discuss what this would mean for finance, what are possible obstacles and hindrances to adoption. And then we're going to spend some time on topics such as on applications such as the issuing and the transfer of money, the trading of blockchain-based assets or crypto assets as they refer to. We talk about the existing innovative lending tools, and also we talk about some innovative financing tools. So just in a nutshell, a lot of the things that are already happening in the financial industry you can do on a blockchain, and there's already applications out there. It goes from investment advice and so on and so forth. So there's a lot out there, and I want to raise awareness of what exists and where there's possible opportunities for you. Now, there's two related developments which I also want to talk about. One is Facebook's Libra, or as it's now called, the DM initiative. The second one is central bank issued digital currencies. So clearly this is something that you will hear about because people in the banking world will be talking about those for the next few years. So how this course works is as follows. I am going to teach this class as a flipped classroom, which means that I expect you to work through the materials ahead of time. And then we're going to spend our class time discussing these topics, answering your questions, and you discussing among yourselves some questions that I pose to you. So it's therefore important and imperative that you watch the materials and look at the materials ahead of time. I've put them all on Canvas. I try to organize in such a way that they're all come in digestible bits and pieces. But I also recognize that this is a lot of material to work through, and in particular in our synchronous time, on March 24th, we probably will not have enough time to go through all of the topics. So I will therefore, ahead of class or at the beginning of the class, poll you on what you find most interesting. Finally, I'm going to open a discussion thread for the course, and I would strongly encourage you that you submit questions there, because it gives us a basis for the classroom discussion that we will have when we meet jointly on March 24th. And with that, I hope you enjoy the materials, and I look forward to seeing you on March 24th.